Welcome to Page Turner English. Today, we will learn easy English vocabulary and simple conversations at the cafe. Let's begin our lesson. First, let's look at some common items. Coffee, a popular hot drink made from roasted coffee beans. Tea, a soothing beverage often served with lemon or honey. It can be served in a beautiful ceramic cup. Milk and sugar. Many people like to add these to their coffee or tea to make it creamy and sweet. Water and cup. You might ask for a glass of water with your meal. We use a cup for hot drinks. Table, chair, and menu. When you sit down, you use the menu to choose what you want to eat and drink. Cake, a sweet dessert that goes perfectly with coffee. Many cafes offer a variety of delicious cakes. Waitress and customer. The waitress helps you order, and you are the customer enjoying the cafe atmosphere. Hot coffee and cold drink. Some people like their drinks steaming hot, while others prefer something cold with ice. Chocolate cake. This is a very popular choice for many. It looks very moist and delicious. Now, repeat after me. Coffee, pause coffee. Tea, pause tea. Milk, pause milk. Sugar, pause sugar. Very good. Keep practicing now. Let's practice a simple conversation. Watch how a customer interacts with the waitress. Hello, welcome to our cafe.
Hello, thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. I would like a hot coffee, please.
Sure, small or large. And would you like anything else today?
Large, please. Yes, one chocolate cake too, and some still water.
No problem. Your order will be ready soon. Please take a seat. A few minutes later, the waitress brings the freshly prepared items to the customer's table. Here is your coffee and your chocolate cake. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, it looks delicious. Thank you. How much is it?
It is $10. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Now, let's learn some useful cafe expressions. Repeat these. Can I have a coffee? I would like tea. Can I see the menu? How much is it? Great job today. See you next time for more easy English conversations. Have a wonderful day.